Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, October 2, 2025. Daniel Padilla pinasalamatan si Kayla Estrada sa Soul Drama Awards. Kabilang sa mga pinasalamatan ni Daniel Padilla sa acceptance speech niya sa Seoul International Drama Awards 2025 ang rumored girlfriend niyang si Kayla Estrada. Tumanggap ng award o trophy si Daniel bilang isa sa Outstanding Asian Star. Inisa-isa ni Daniel ang lahat ng name ng kanyang co-star sa isang serye at bago matapos ito'y binanggit niya si Kayla. Wala pang kumpirmasyon mula kina Daniel at Kayla sa chikang may relasyon na sila. Samantala, parang tumanggap din ng award si Carla Estrada sa nasabing Korean-based award-giving body. Isa si Carla sa pinag-alayan ng anak na si Daniel ng kanyang tagumpay. Nagtatalon sa tuwa ang puso ni Carla sa audience nang pasalamatan siya ni Daniel bago matapos ang speech nito sa entablado. Sabi ni Daniel, "Mama, I made it." Maririnig ang sigaw ni Carla at ang malakas na palakpak nito. Say-pa niya sa kanyang post sa IG, habang nagbibigay ng kanyang speech si Daniel, "Congratulations anak for receiving the Outstanding Asian Star Award. I cannot express enough how proud I am of you. All your hard work, sleepless nights, and dedication have truly paid off. You are not only talented, but also determined and passionate in everything you do. As your mother, my heart is overflowing with joy seeing you achieve your dreams. Always remember, this is just the beginning of many more successes ahead. I will always be here, your #1 supporter, cheering for you every step of the way. I love you anak. Special thanks to all the fans who supported and voted."
안녕하세요. Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, thank you, Lord. I'm truly honored to be here tonight to receive this award. Thank you so much, Seoul International Drama Awards, for this recognition. I want to thank my Cognito and Star Creatives family, Ms. Desty Guzman, our directors Lester Pimentel, Wang Yanbin, and Ian Loreños. I also want to thank my co-stars, Ian Veneracion, Richard Gutierrez, Baron Geisler, Anthony Jennings, Maris Racal, and Kayla Estrada. Our stunt team for Action 360, our tactical instructors, Benjo Ramos and Patch Caballero, my Star Magic family, and Home Network, ABS-CBN. I also want to thank my friends and my family for their endless support and unconditional love. Mama, I made it.
Woohoo! I love you!
Thank you for your continued support and unwavering love. Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit ako nandito. Maraming salamat. Kamsahamnida. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Laging bisitahin ang website ng Abante ang tunay na tabloidista. E-follow ang Instagram ni @carlaestrada1121. E-click ang mga link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, i-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.